Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the impactful topic of deforestation. Deforestation is a pressing issue that is affecting our planet in numerous ways. In this video, we will explore the causes of deforestation, its impacts on the environment, and potential solutions to this problem. Deforestation refers to the permanent destruction of forests for various reasons. One of the major causes of deforestation is agriculture. As the demand for food increases, there is a growing need for more land for crops and livestock farming. This leads to the clearing of vast areas of forests, resulting in habitat loss for numerous species. Another significant cause is logging. Timber is used for construction, furniture, and paper production, leading to the depletion of forests at an alarming rate. The impacts of deforestation on the environment are devastating. Forests play a crucial role in regulating the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen through photosynthesis. With fewer trees, there is an increased concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Deforestation also disrupts the water cycle, leading to decreased rainfall in affected areas. Furthermore, it results in soil erosion, as trees provide anchorage for the soil and their root systems help retain moisture. Now, let's talk about some potential solutions to combat deforestation. One approach is sustainable logging practices. By implementing stricter regulations and monitoring systems, we can ensure that logging companies harvest wood in a responsible manner, minimizing the environmental impact. Planting trees is another effective solution. Reforestation projects can help restore the lost forest areas and create new habitats for wildlife. Additionally, promoting alternative farming techniques such as agroforestry can reduce the need for extensive land clearance by integrating crops and trees together. In conclusion, deforestation is a significant issue that demands our attention. The causes of deforestation, including agriculture and logging, have severe consequences on the environment. However, by adopting sustainable logging practices, undertaking reforestation efforts, and embracing alternative farming methods, we can work towards mitigating the impact of deforestation. Remember, it is up to us to protect our planet and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found the information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content.